Good morning, Mary Regan with Wayside Kitchens. And this morning I am back in Groton, Massachusetts. This is the first week in January, or at least the first working week in January. And we're here to go over the tile work with the tile people who are doing the kitchen backsplash this morning. Hello, how are you? So I'm here to review that and so that we can keep this project moving along. So welcome and come along with me. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens. You can find me helping clients take their dated old kitchens and transform them into beautiful new kitchens that they love because they fit their homes and lifestyle much better. If you're ready to start your kitchen remodeling journey or just enjoy watching home transformations, you are at the right place. Come join me. Good morning. It looks like we have someone making a lot of selections over here. I find the kitchen island loaded with stuff on it. So this is great. Go over the tiles, which we're doing the backsplash, not a lot. We're doing the backsplash area, and then, which is just those two little areas in the kitchen. And then we are doing this back here. And I think the homeowners are kind of moving in a little bit. And then we have this area back here, and the fireplace also is getting tiled, and they decided to add the powder room, and so this is also getting tiled, and they did some of the work in here over the Christmas break, which is installed this timber material wainscot over here. And then I think it's just ready for the tile floor, and then it can be painted. And not my favorite thing, Kevin. I like the all at the same level. Oh, okay.
No, that has to come out. Ingo was here on Friday, and he said that's got to come out.
So that threshold.
Yep.
And are you tiling up to there, or you're gonna go?
No, Ingo and I were talking about either a piece of wood that he could put in that would be pre-finished, or the Schluter strip.
Yeah, but then it means that this piece will have to come out, and then the Schluter would go. But that you would need to get for Gabriel. I can let you know where. But right here, this is where the Schluter would go.
Yeah, but then you're gonna see tile outside, so the tile needs to stop here.
Oh,
or
I see.
there.
Oh, I got you. Yeah, because then the door stops on the other side. Okay. So the key is to keep the floor hidden under the door.
Yes.
So
absolutely.
if I'm understanding correctly, you can cut this like at this area right here, right? Like right here, or Ingo can cut it, and then you can put a little Schluter and get rid of all this that's tapered, and then maybe that would bring it to the same level.
And so then I can follow this edge, stop the tile there, so this can go after later, can be done later, so we can still do the floor today.
Okay.
And I'm gonna follow this line, okay, and they can take this
That
out
makes sense.
and then put a new one there, okay.
So it would be that size strip. Okay, all right. And
Yeah, Ingo said that's gotta come out, but he didn't say when. Ingo stopped by on Friday.
oh, he did. Okay,
And
okay.
we talked for quite a while.
Yeah.
So I'll follow that line, straight line there, and then,
Okay, all right.
yeah.
As long as we're all on the same page, right? We just want to make sure that, I mean, I don't like bumps on the
Right.
floor.
Right.
All right. Any questions for me, Gabriel? All good. All right. Yeah. So Kevin, for painting though, when the guys come, we do need the place kind of like given back to the empty,
fine.
so the painters
Yeah,
can
absolutely.
have it. But I love the sign. I like that.
Got
Who?
that for Christmas.
Oh,
Laura
that,
gave that to me.
oh, that's beautiful. I love that. I'm like,
Now she's trying to figure out where
I'm gonna
she
have
wants
to
hang it.
I'm gonna have to talk to Laura. Someone made us something similar, and I have it over my fireplace in my kitchen, and it's nice. You know, it's like that's a beautiful thing.
I'll ask her where she got that from.
Yeah.
Some special, I don't know if she found that like on Etsy or something like that.
Yeah, very cool. No, I like it. I like the subway style, you know, brick pattern on the tiles, and then you already have the grout, so
Grout
this is
bed, yeah.
this is all good.
I think there's probably a lot more than is needed, but.
Better
see.
safe than sorry.
Oh,
I mean, if
absolutely.
one
That's why we got
one
you
is
back.
not open, you can return it.
Exactly,
You know,
exactly.
but
You said an 8 to 10. This was 8. I said, let's get 2.
you're
If
like
I need
me.
to return it, I'll return it.
That's what happens with me when I order tiles for people. I'm like, I always order too much, but
I
it's
think-
better than
yes.
having to order like 2 or 3 pieces.
Exactly.
After,
I think
you
on
know.
this backsplash,
And did Laura decide on the wallpaper, by the way?
wallpaper, yes, and wallpaper will actually be here tomorrow. Do you have a line of sight on a wallpaper person, or do you need us to get that?
I can search, so
Okay.
I'll look as
Okay.
well too, and we'll get that. Like I said, you know, a lot
Are
of
people
people.
just not using wallpaper in
Because-
the other projects that you're doing?
You know what it is like wallpaper is a fairly expensive process.
Uh-huh.
So a lot of people, if they're thinking like, oh, budget, you know, then
Oh,
they're not doing
just
it.
paint.
So everyone is like, oh, paint is better than wallpaper. It's
It's
like,
cheaper because you just keep going. Well,
but
when I
wallpaper
was-
is so classic. I love
Yeah.
wallpaper.
What I was thinking was, we would, before the wallpaper goes in, we would just paint the whole thing.
Yes,
I
yes.
think that's the only thing that makes
That's
sense.
what I told
Okay.
Hovannes to
Okay.
do, to prep it, and then whoever comes in to install the wallpaper, they can size it. Put that thing that you put down under the wallpaper, and then they can do it. But in all reality, when Hovannes finishes, it would look like it's already completed.
Okay, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That way, in case the wallpaper ever does come down, we have the paint.
Yes, you just need to take off the glue, right?
take
Like
off the
you,
glue,
the
exactly.
walls are going to be perfect for painting. No, but people don't do it, but it's because of the extra expense
Okay, got
that it is to do the wallpaper. But it's all good. So this is looking great. So I got to go move so that Gabriel can leave. The poor guy, I'm blocking him. All right, Kevin. So I'll see you.
Okay.
All right. Hey, how are you? All right, I'll see you. I'll probably stop by and see you anyways. All right, bye guys. So thank you so much for coming along. I'll have another update at the end of the week, and after the tile work then is painting. That's exciting as well. So, all right, thank you for coming along, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye for now. Bye.
This is as good a day as any.